the color of the, they are different between their legs. So now I saw some snakes.
What snake?
So in the left side.
Okay.
Little bit look up. Left side. You can follow those roads. Black side color. Almost galing ka pa namin.
ये तो है
Huh?
येलो ब्लैक टू येलो
Yeah, sleeping.
Oh, yes, sleeping. Yellow, black.
So the name of the snake are, they call it binturan in Filipino name. In English they call it mangrove snake. Because mostly you can shoot the snake in the mangrove forest. So I tell you, those kind of snake are nocturnal. Right now, just sleep only. Actually, that not only those kinds of snakes we have, because you know sometimes aside of the binturan, we have also here some baby python. But not all the time you can see them. Only the black regular striped snakes always we have every day. They are here in the mangrove forest. Because you know the python are seasonal. So in this part in your